Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is the epitome of mobile luxury. Outside, a magnificent and energizing silhouette, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome will have a sleeker, more aerodynamic design than traditional motorhomes, doing away with the boxy look. Like the most recent Escalade, the iconic vertical LED headlamps will be an instantly identifiable feature. A sizable, striking front grille that might include satin or dark chrome details. Big wheels with a polished finish and a complex multi-spoke design. Plenty of external storage space with soft closed doors and inside illumination that is perfectly incorporated into the body design. Interior, high-end components include contrast stitching on the dashboard and door panels, real wood trim, and embellishments made of carbon fiber or aluminum. Ergonomic pilot seats, front passenger and driver seats with heating, cooling, massage, and 18-way power adjustment. Chairs and sofas with hand-stitched details, personalized throw pillows, and upholstery made of high-quality aniline leather or Alcantara fabric. Kitchen, full-size refrigerator, freezer with ice maker, convection oven, microwave combo, integrated espresso coffee machine, and state-of-the-art induction cooktop. All from luxury brands, a designer sink with a touch-sensitive faucet made of composite or stainless steel, smart storage, and effective slide-out pantry, concealed refrigerator drawers, and soft-close drawers, beds with luxurious linen systems, power-adjustable bases, and memory foam mattresses, concealed flat-screen TVs with gaming and streaming capabilities, strong V8 gasoline engine, probably the Escalade's twin-turbo V8 engine. This engine provides enough power to handle a range of terrain. Hybrid electric EV option, using GM's Ultium platform. A plug-in hybrid, or even an all-electric EV version with a remarkable range is probably in the works, following automotive trends. 5 ultra-wideband connectivity, a strong Wi-Fi hotspot installed throughout the car for uninterrupted connectivity.